You subscribe yet?
Hello?
On speaker.
Can I hear me?
Yeah, me hear. You're the on speaker.
Okay, are you want it?
No, yes. Yes.
Okay, alright. You know, say I want to go family outing, me there invite you to come. We want to go somewhere with the family. We say, can forward?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Yeah, man, so we have one extra seat left, so we want you to come, but you can't carry these in a car. Only one seat and you can come in.
Me not think me can come. Cause if Dave can come with me, me not think he might go allow me to come. Me can go. So no can go and leave me.
Oh, really are going to me, those things. Eh? Alright, you are. We got us go. And let's say, man, because being foolish, this is a being foolish actually. And that is the reason why I'm not really too like Dave to me. I'll tell you so, you know, big man. Because you're telling me that you can't come, Dave can't come, you can't come.
Yeah, call me back on next time. Or when me see you, me will talk to you, yeah?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm tell you about your brother. Yes, I'm tell you about your family. Your family don't like me, you know. They don't like me. I'm gonna know what me do to them. You understand me? I say, it's like them I try to create one negative vibe. How them for a family trip, family outing, and I invite you alone. And I say, you can't come with me. Eh? Now me and you there together. You don't see me now? Yes, so why them ever say, Dave can't come. They only have one special seat. That makes sense? I'm gonna tell you this backside. They send me there so and you get some phone call. Me not have to tell you so put it blinking phone on speaker. Don't see me now, you understand me I say?
Yes.
Why you just feel a waste star. Can't understand why. It's like me a fight so hard to create one vibe, one environment. And the damn people that's yo, hear me. When you stay far from my place, you know. Don't make them come on my place. It's just like how them now welcome me at them place. Me now welcome them at few place, which is my place. Tell me something. Me I thump you? Me I box you?
No, babe.
Eh?
Mm-mm.
So why make it them have it sound like say me I abuse you down your so. Like me just in a one zone of boy I don't know, it's just rough.
But you call me idiot and you say me a fool.
No, but if you act like an idiot and foolish sometimes, it's just a figure of speech. It's like me express myself in such a way if you make you understand say. And that you act like. Me not say you're an idiot. Me say you act like an idiot. It's different. You have to know the difference.
You did something stupid.
Yeah, because when you act stupid that time now, me I say act like a stupid. Don't forget the word act, A-C-T, before it change the whole frequency of the whole meaning. You understand? Right now, you are going stupid now. Because me tell yourself to give me something to eat and you're there so arguing. That's not stupid.
I did cheer out if I long time. Go and see.
That me I talk about. You see now, we don't establish say you forgot me food. Don't get so overwork. I know, so me have to use me. Outside door. Don't see me, I never tell you something early this morning, don't see. Eh? Pass it back for the place. Me tell you to wake me up early, you know. Today's a rough day, star. I'm gonna tell you some want to start out certain things early today. Come on, if you give me a contract. Don't see me now. Care back, come on, man. Everything packing, right?
Babes,
What?
I have no water in the here.
So what that means if you water then what?
I have no water for wash your clothes, man. And you never give me no money to buy soap, remember?
Alright, here we are going now. Some change up on the chest drawer, find it and sort it out. But if you water gone here, so you don't know what to do. Walk go a river and go sort out the clothes them. Look how close river there.
Me use the $1,000 already buy this.
Use this $1,000. You know, use no you make some mix up, yo, don't see me now. Where you stay so youth? Alright, here we are going. Yo, figure it out. You know how to forget the things them done. You do it already, do it again.
Yeah.
Organize yourself and find what you need to find and do it.
You know, but give me
Do you
money
want?
again.
No, I need this to start out my little business today. What?
So how me I go wash your clothes them without?
Me say figure it out.
Hello?
Absolutely.
Huh?
Say alright.
Yeah.
I see a place you live. I don't know look for me.
I same place me live, but me can't just come out for my own. Me have to ask.
You mean you have to ask?
He not let me out of my own. Me have to tell him, else I go problem and me no want the problem between me and him.
Oh. So you not miss me?
Eh?
You not miss me?
Yes, me miss my niece, but so me can't just do anything off of my own. Me have to ask first.
Oh, me soon call look for you, yeah?
You go come look for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Anyway, the phone are dead, so me have to go now, you hear?
Alright then.
Mm-hmm.
Man, them not give me the contracts there. Why them not give me the contract? Why them really create this animosity with this damn thing? So from time rain a fall, I know you kill my place. Rain fall all long on top. Look on the place, say place, look. What's the matter with you, lady? Eh? Only thing I have to do in that place is I just clean up a place, that's all. And you create a vibe like say you can't do it before me reach. No more come in. I'm going to take a sure as walk come in. If you walk come in, I'm going to fact, me not take a long blinking boat. I walk go straight in. Then if you know yourself. Yes, yo, you see people like you make life hard and complicated. Why you do that? Why you make me feel like some boy every day me feel concuss you and tell you what to do? Eh? You idiot? You fool or something? You stupid? You born out of what? Donkey?
Babes, why you see me and clean and you come in the shoes and rain they fall? You know see me and clean. You know much time I wipe out the place from morning and you come in with your shoes.
You hear yourself? I don't think you hear yourself. Yeah, you listen to the words I say? Rain fall from morning, you live in your place.
Rain fall from morning.
And
Rain
what
fall this morning and stop. All no rain still a drizzle and you just step in the house with your shoes. You can't just take off your shoes.
Where's spot to take off my shoes? Eh? Look, most times if you buy the mat, you put yourself. You know I'm buying no mat. So what you expect will happen then? Eh?
You never give me no money if you buy no
What
mat.
you mean, woman, the money always under the place. What you talk about? Something wrong with you for you? You know like how you just act like you know sure. Your brain not work or something. Turn on your brain now. You lock off.
Alright.
What you mean say alright.
Just take up your shoes.
Are you fit take up your shoes? But not take up my backside shoes. Something like wrong with you. And hurry up and come start up my things them. Yes, sir?
Dulce! Wangs!
You frighten me so.
Come here, man. Come here. No, sir. I can't believe him here.
What?
No, sir. Come right here, sir. Come right here, sir. Dulce. What me tell you to work? I can't live with you, man. What?
Me did like your work, you know, but and you pay me good and everything. But to me get one work, I want ice cream parlor place. Right now me I work I want ice cream parlor place and me a manager there. And them pay me better than the pay where me used to get.
Yeah, but, oh, God, man. Boy, things like those, man, you just come to you all the time, man. You know, say you're a good worker. You want the best come there, you know. People can be replaced, but God no, me I think now myself say, boy, you're irreplaceable. I swear. You work hard, you come work on time, punctuality, everything. was good. Why
Thank
me I
you.
tell you, say, no man, me miss a good start. I want to say, man.
But that's why people stress when I go through and me home. All heap of things
No,
and me did afraid to explain and
we not
tell you what
live
me I
so
go
man.
through.
You come to where we talk, man, and whatever, man, and support, man. We lose a great worker, man. So, what you say there? You want ice cream place?
Yeah, one ice cream parlor place where I work
Which
and
part?
they give me manager. I'm up here.
I'm up here?
Yeah.
Which part exactly?
2nd Barnett Street. Before you catch a courts.
Ah,
Barnett Street this up.
oh, I said when I frequently, you know. Frequently there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, down at the barber shop, you know.
Oh, girl.
Yeah, man, so you what, you know. Me willing can stop by and support still.
No, you can't come there. So you see the boss that me have? He pay good enough, but he's strict so till
No, man,
he no want we can no friend or no family come and place because we get fired. Me no want get fired.
I joke here, man.
No, for true. I me no did it every day neither.
No, man, I support, you know, so.
No, you can go there when me no did it. Just call me when you come and me tell you when to go there go support them. But me no want you come when me did it.
Me not get so, not understand.
No, if
Anyway,
you come when me did it, I go problem.
Me will leave it,
The man there, you know, me no, they love write up about people too much. Although me a manager, he watch everything. Me no want him feel say me a take out nothing from out time place give up.
No, man, no. Why am somebody that really think that?
No,
So-
he will think him, me know he say
That
I
somebody
me a
can't so
work.
narrow-minded?
Yes, he will think him, man.
I'm a boss, man, a basket. Anyway, put that aside. How dear?
He must sit me down there.
No, man, you know, me not like how you respond to me. Just ask you how it's Dave. What?
You don't want to ask about nobody else because you know want me talk to nobody about him.
Yeah.
And you know want me and him to have nothing. I'm afraid to go call back my name to him because he always tell me some word where every time he tell me them word they me feel uncomfortable but me not really want to tell him neither because maybe he and him are friends still.
Dulcie, how I go on?
Anytime you talk about him, my mindset change, you know, a different somebody. It's like everything gone, every memory, everything gone out of my head. I don't really can focus straight again because he shout off for me, he bully me. He make me feel intimidated by him and he might tell me some things and I call me name and I threaten me. You know, want me go with my family. Dude, not tell him, please, me I beg you.
So,
Don't tell him because
Dave,
yeah.
what things don't really add up? Anyway, now give me number. Is that okay?
If you give me your number,
Yeah. You can call me?
you see if you give me your number, it works like how you want man if me like put in on my phone to save it. Maybe you mash up my phone and so and me can't make you know want me make no call unless you know who me they call, what time me they call, when me go call, where this one day, where me know him from and who this one be to me. Me can't all of them me have to explain. I'm nervous anytime he talk to me because he might do me things, he might tell me some things. I'm
Alright.
afraid.
Maybe leave it alone. Just forget about the number thing. But
Me have to go in now because I did go in the supermarket. He said me go buy something and me not get in there, so me have to go around there so go look. And maybe he might come.
Yeah, Yogi, you have one. This is the one for the fall farm up a bat. This is the one for down a Falmouth. Them people then give half of the money.
do what?
Yeah, then give half of the money. So don't feel safe.
Yo.
But they check the rest still for them name. I just be check them. Well as I can see everything there, so. You know what I mean? So just sort it out.
Me check them.
So which part my check over there?
You know worry about that, that's it. You know, say you get that, man. At least. Make you lay there in front of you. Boy.
Alright.
Anyway. Boy. Congratulations, my boss, you know.
Hey, me congratulations. How are you going?
I mean, man. And I see Dulcie today, you know, man. Book up in a Dulcie there, out there, so. And Dulce, I tell me, say, boy, she have managed one ice cream store, you know, so.
What? Hold on. My Dulcimina you talk about?
How
What's the wrong Dulcimina you talk about? Because my Dulcimina don't work. You know, make my Dulcimina work. She work with me, she take care of me. She wash my clothes and take care of my stuff them. At the yard, cook and clean and all them something there. So when you talk about Dulcimina, I must somebody wrong you say. I talk about ice cream parlor. Which ice cream parlor? What you talk about, Yogi?
Hold on, man.
Eh?
Hold on. Something don't look right yourself.
Yeah, but you're trying to change the mood from business.
Hold on, man. No. I talk to her today. And she look a certain way. She look timid. As if she boy, she intimidated and whatever. Anytime I mention nothing and so forth, like she afraid. What I mean by she work on an ice cream place? What I mean by you know so she work there?
My Dulcimina, yo, come out of my business, brother. You see, when me come here for the business, just make the business be that business, not my business, which is my house business. How Dulcimina come for what's the matter with you? Francis stop work, or you and she win things?
Hold on. Wait there.
You and Dulcimina win things?
Hold on, the boss. Hold on. Wait. Let me just come out of this thing. Hold on. Listen to me. Something fishy. Today I see her and she look a way. She look a certain way as if if I mention anything she draw on her. Let me ask her a question. You lick her? You abuse her?
Oh, that becomes your. But me not. What you talk about? What you talk about?
Look
me
here.
Me not do them things with my Dulcimina, but you need to come out of my business.
Me know that woman there for years.
And so what?
And me I tell her say she look a little different. Today, that me I tell her say boy something not right. And me feel say I do something to her you know.
Me?
Yes. Because me I tell her say she the timidness her. Look here.
You
know if you have physical abuse a woman you know. You have a thing we call mental abuse in a virgin. So, me no idiot. Me older than you and me know when me I talk to that woman today, the fear when me see in her is not much physical but you're doing some form of abuse. I tell her that. And me see it, me no idiot. When me mention nothing, she look left and right. Not even phone number she want to take. I know that woman for years. And that woman here was such a good worker. The woman punctual, she there on time. Everything. And that woman I leave this place. And right now, I put 2 and 2 because of you.
Listen to me. Listen, hear me out. I am not the kind of person to thump or abuse. That is not abuse. If you tell a woman about your feelings and how you like if she act like an idiot and you say you're acting like an idiot, that is what? Abuse? Is that abuse?
That is called mental abuse. And the way you're talking to me right now, it shows me a different side of you.
Yeah, because you're trying to get me off.
You see it right now like you're the idiot.
You see you? Yes, I try to style me.
And don't you listen to me. Hold on. Let me tell you something, Bridget. You see with you people like you, sit through you.
Sit through me.
And what you're doing here is nothing. Zin? This little account that you have here is nothing. Because I have other people out there waiting who can come in. And because of your woman, why you still here. And at the end of the day, I don't like how you talk to me. So you know what happened? Your thing is water pan up back in. I don't need your business. So you know what you do? Just take up your damn self and come out of my place.
You gotta leave your place.
Come out of my place.
And remember, see you can't find an ex-worker like me here.
Don't worry, man.
You?
They come in dime a dozen, man. Come out of my place, man. You know,
you see you, Yogi?
Find yourself out, man.
Dulcimina.
Yes.
Stand there.
Alright, today, I don't know how to explain how the day I run for me so far, but guess what now? You're gonna have Vasa? You see Vasa today? Alright, good, so you confirm it. Vasa, I go tell me, say, me up here, I abuse you, and Vasa gonna run me out of fiend place. And make me know, say, you go down. Yeah, you invest in things as a matter of fact?
No.
When you work with Vasa, you invest in things?
No.
So what you go tell him, say, so what kind of thing you tell him today? What was the conversation? Because I don't want to jump to conclusion again.
He just asked me why I left the work. And I tell him, say, nothing, I just feel like I left, so I just left it.
That you tell him. So how am I attack me, I tell me, say me that dirty man and all them something about me abuse you and me a this and me a that and sitting. So if me no want argument, that means me abuse you? Eh? Answer my question and stop shaking that one like you know. If me no want argument, like how we don't argument right now, that means me abuse you? Eh? No, exactly. So why he may come across my room at time place and say he don't want to deal with a person like me who are mentally abused me woman and all them something there. But me feel say you're investing in something, you know. That's my biggest part about this whole situation. And you have to come clean and tell me, you invest when you do nothing? In touch you? Eh? In rub you down? In give you extra pay?
But when we did get my pay, I have to buy one water for him and I buy it.
As a matter of fact, give me this. Who tells you can name me so? Eh? You eat out the whole I snack them. Cup in the house. So make you throw drinks like this. Give me some man. No supermarket you see I got today. Eh? Eh?
Remember say $1,000 you give me and you tell me to buy some dry goods and he couldn't buy nothing to cook.
You see, you're not listening to me talk to you. I tell you, do not buy no dry goods. Buy 2 pounds of rice. Buy as much meat as you can buy. Girl, hey, listen, man. Stop act like you're me hating you this to me, you know.
So next time you're talking on my left ears all the while. Next time you're talking on my right ear.
Yeah! Why you stay so, man? It doesn't feel, yo. You see me now. You know, say me, I got in some serious problem. And based on how you react right now, you react like you go mad. You depressed or something? You stressed out?
My dream see you last night, yes.
Your dream see me last night? Mm-hmm. Your dream see
But you did that squeeze my neck in my sleep.
I tell you, I'm not that person. Because my mother, when I go through fear thing, my father used to give her a killer relic. So me not depend on something. I promise mother say I will never put my hand on a woman. You understand me? I say, but I am not the person who go act like say me not can talk to a woman and tell her I say she act certain way. You understand me? I say, but I will not put my hand on a woman. So all that dream no walk street, I must be one next week ago. But I know yes so. Check if your brother a strangling woman up in here, that if you check. Because I'm going to flipping perfect. Yo, go and deal with my food, man.
I never done tell about my dream.
Me know you not about the dream. And that me I tell you. Not one more word about dream. Go and go to start what me I start out.
Me not have nothing to cook.
Me say the things in there we're supposed to buy.
You subscribe yet?
So you see I go on now, big boss.
Boy, I tell you. I'm glad they contract me so quick still, you know, brethren. You know, I could have tell you by phone still, but I want to see, I want to talk to you. Then, when last you see your sister?
I was good look while me not see me, know what going.
You know, so what day I see her? And call her in and talk to her still, you know, brethren. And between me and you, I see a piece of timidness from the woman where he come like, say, boy, you know, back up right in the corner. Something right with her. I mean, I tell you, say, she's getting abused. And I must physically, you know, but me more feel I'm mental. You see that boy there, Dave? I have to run him from my place, you know. Because I'm me, the man, I deal with a certain way. When I say, how him I deal with me realize, I saw him I deal with her and worse, shot woman. I know he can't run up on me, you know. I have to get rid of him, man. Right now, because mother to take in contract. But anyway, Bridget, I your sister, and me know her. Need to go check her, because I tell her, say, things not right. You're a big man. I mean, what them things
you know what, to tell you the truth, I kind of did suspect still, you know, but we never really have no full confirmation because after me talk to her a few times, maybe how she sound over the phone, me suspect something, but me more feel like I lick her still. You know what I'm saying? But now that you confirm my suspicions. Him and she have left. Me ensure so me talk to her and ensure she left him.
Look here, Regine, me no condone them kind of abuse. Especially when you know the person, you know. Because I know she, remember say she work with me and I work for how long, you know. I'm going to tell you, say, it's a total different, yo, Regine, the man sharp a man make all the sister mad out, you know. You have to go do something.
Alright, but thank you for telling me still. Thank you. I really appreciate say at least somebody else I see what me I see.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
Take it up in hand, Regine, me I warn you.
Alright, don't worry
Me I
yourself.
warn you.
Don't worry yourself. I mean make you know what I want.
Yes.
Alright?
More like some mental, maybe like a physical, but serious thing,
Alright,
man.
don't
I
worry
don't want to
yourself.
see the woman that walk on the road mad. Because of how I see her estate. So
Alright,
just,
me deal with it, man.
yeah,
Come
man.
on, alright?
Yeah, man. Alright, my boss. Deal with it, here.
Boy, sis, we really have to go look for you, you know. Because a long time I don't see you and I realize, say, you move different in a way with me hardly I see you. I feel like something right. You're one person, you're always happy. You was an extrovert, now you turn an introvert. So if there's something you feel like you want to talk to me about, you can talk to me, man.
Me alright. Me alright, man.
You sure? Because trust me, you don't sound like you're alright, you don't look like you're alright. But really I go on.
Me did have someone who want to tell you about. Dave said me not fit tell nobody else he might go do wicked things to me.
Hold on. You really mean if you tell me say Dave a threaten you and you not say nothing to me?
Because the reason why I'm not telling no as my family is that anyway here back. He now go get rid of me, I get rid of everybody. My mother, my brother, everybody. And show me no want nothing happen to no.
Sis, listen to me.
No, tell nobody.
Listen to me, I tell you. No one had time to be abused by nobody and scared. You have to come out of this. You're my sister, and I now will sit by and allow nobody to take advantage of you.
But me love him. Yes, me love him still.
So you're trying to tell me, so you love him more than you love yourself?
Yeah.
Alright. You know what? I know exactly what I'm going to do. Everything good, man. But I tell him, say, tell me nothing, you know.
Me just see like a brother I come from where I saw. But when I make him see me. Over where I come from?
Yes, babes.
What do you mean over where I come from? Me not tell you say me no want none of your dirty stinking family over here so. Eh? Them not like me, so what am I do here so? What they want with you? Eh? You idiot? Answer my question, you idiot hour. Why you don't get it? Don't make a dirty brother because him not like me and he talk bad about me 24/7. And you know that too. And since you start change and going like in a backside sense. Eh? Me come home now and expect for even come talk to you and tell you how my day go to work. And sitting, yeah, make your dirty brother come on my yard. Which part in sit down? You saying sit down?
Yes.
What you go do now? You go in the kitchen, you go get the soap, and you go wash out that side I see. Take out that sponge and go wash it. And that one you go deal with. Go and go deal with it. You know what your brother sent lick and linger in the house here. You understand me I said to you?
Yes, babes.
So we are slung for go on. Smell like him piss up himself or sitting.
Auntie Dulcie,
Uh-uh.
nothing alright?
No, give me. No, put it a ground because he will come cuss me, so I put it in hot a ground.
Look at that she at the door. So you knock me up.
Mr. Man, a long time I not see you.
You know, some of Mr. Joe, them are something.
I can't just come so and tell you from the day when I did the river the wash. So I can't just left so. I have to tell him, Dave.
So I cannot tell him, I'm
Me have
making
to-
sense.
I have to tell him, because Dave will quarrel for me.
The quarrel upon him back then.
If me ever open up my mouth and thump me in there, he said, me no fi give him back answer. So, and when him talk, me no fi talk.
Are your father?
Me fi always listen to him.
Are your father?
Me? And him act like him and my father, but I'm a man. And him take me for idiot, and I love him.
No, auntie, you don't know idiot. You mean that you take it for idiot, you love him. You don't know idiot.
He always call me
You
idiot.
don't know idiot. I can call you no idiot.
So he call me enough time, he say me
He
a
no fi
idiot.
call you so. Tell him fi no call you so you don't know idiot.
Me can't say that. Me can't tell him to not call me so. Because when him a talk to me, he say me fi shut up my mouth and listen. So me have to shut up my mouth. But me did tell your father.
How will my father say?
Yes, my brother say, him a go come down here and talk to him about it.
So me cannot take up a things the man can't live with me.
No, me can't come out.
You mean I can't
Because
come out?
me can't come out. When him a go at daytime, he mark the lock and say, any move from Teso. Me no problem when he come back. Me can't go out and he make me go shop but when he in there. Me can't go shop when he gone. And one place he send me go and he when he in there and he no come. And when you did call me, we go river. And he no give me no soap, you know.
If you dash them way in the river.
No, me can't dash away.
Anyways, daddy I try to call up on your phone, now what happened to your phone, he not get you.
You see, Fran, your father did call me and tell me, say, man, come look for me. He vex. And say, me no fi make my brother call him. Neither me nor nobody fi him. Fi me brother no fi call. Especially me. He say, me want a brother no fi call me. Take out the battery out of my phone and take
So
away
you
the
know
charger.
you put the battery?
Mm-hmm.
So me cannot go back for it and put in your phone and charge your phone.
Me not juggle it. You have to go now because as soon time for him come, and if he come and come see you, he will not quarrel when he see you, you know. But you see as you're gone.
Alright then, later.
Mm-hmm.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
You have to come back and look for me again, you hear?
Yeah, me I go come back, man.
And you have to carry sitting for me.
Alright.
And now give me making you see. Hide it out of the gate and me go take up you when he not look, you hear?
Alright, later.
Me love you, you hear? Dave. Dave. Kids.
What you wake me for? Eh? Yes, I look pap. You know how hard it was to fall asleep. Only if understand what I said to you.
I just want to talk to you.
Alright, do it fast.
My brother did say man come up here come check me. So I just make sure I tell you before you go come and then you start quarrel for me so I never tell you. So I make sure say you're aware of it. I don't want you crucify me. I'm tired of it now. I can't take it no more.
It's like the more I tell you something, I want your brother up here, the more you try to force him up here. What you want now? You can call you what you want. You can call upon phone. And me want come to?
He no want to talk to you. And me even come to my brother. But he say he want to talk to me private.
You want to talk to you private?
Yeah.
So you never dare which day there? When you want to come back again for? I want to him.
He never stay no long time. He just did come and turn back same time. So he never get to talk to me right away when he did want to talk to me.
Alright, I'm going to tell you what I'm going. This can't work out. That can't work out. I don't want him to come on me yard. Simple as that. Meet him somewhere on the road or something.
Me want to go look for my family then because family video at one time I see my family then and I did good on the one time and then the last time when my brother come check me for 2 minutes. He not even put a steak. I'm afraid of you.
You remember why you're there so with me? Eh? You don't realize say your people have always left in one situation. And the reason why you're there with me is because I believe in you. Then busy then on time for you. Me take you out of wish for you there and carry you come here and live with me.
No.
Listen to what me I say. And tell me I talk, don't do that. Me take you out of way. You come from and you're there so with me now. And because what? Me I try to tell you certain things what you say, you're unhappy? That you want to tell me? You happy or not happy? You're happy or you're not happy? You happy?
And on the video, I don't know the difference between happy and unhappy because unhappy or happy. I don't know them because you're not showing me them make me get to know when I'm unhappy or happy.
You know what I think you're ungrateful? I think you're more ungrateful more than anything else and you forget where you come from. You see ring for your finger? This a ringer? You know how much money I spend for that? Eh? How much money I spend for this? You remember that show? You remember the sacrifices and what I have with you? You're ungrateful, man. Make me feel like about me I lose my work because of you. But because you talk to them and I tell them.
You never finish pay for your ring. And my brother did finish pay for your balance because you couldn't manage to pay for it. You remember? And he come like me did hear him and tell me niece say maybe he go take it back and sell it and give back for your part of money and then he will go back go buy back for me with free money alone.
You hear what you say? Never hear what you say. Your brother when borrow some money from me, I pay me back and pay for it. You never know the real story yet. You always hear peace and put fear, twist to everything. Why you stay so?
One can always say my family they don't love me. My sister Faith love me. My brother love me.
If he's in love, so if they love you, why you not call every day and check up on you or send some money give you? Eh? When you go through stuff and you want and me can't give it right away, and you call them then say they're not happy. You remember all these things? Eh? You're blank now. You're blank now.
Remember say you did send any money when my family them want send to me. I know if make them send in my name, if make them send in your name, so then they stop sending.
Yeah, because you lost your ID. You see everything add up. You lost your
My ID no last.
So where then? Show me. Show me where they now.
Left it on my brother yard.
I left ID on your brother yard for what?
Because he say you will cut up here and now you cut up my ID.
Him say or you say which one?
And me did tell my brother and then my brother tell me back. That's why he get to tell me. And me have to tell him because you did cut up my license. So me never want you damage it. My ID so me give my brother the key.
Me never cut up a license. I cut one thing in one book. Me I cut out something I cut it by accident. You understand? And then you I go take it now, say because you lick good pan road with the car. Me I go me I cut up and like always I put some story to some story. Those mean that you have to change your ways, you know. And alright, listen, I'm very tired. I want to go up the street and I have a busy day.
How me cannot give me nothing to eat from man?
Me forget some food from man. I mean, woman.
You not give me no money if you go to shop go buy nothing to look about.
It's 600.
I want me must buy already.
Don't buy no dry goods. Don't buy no biscuit. Don't buy no potato chips. Don't buy no plantain chips. Don't buy no.
Then, babes, that means that too much money you give me, me can buy chicken and rice. I take you $100 and give you back the $500 and cook your dinner here. I'm going to shop.
You bring it on?
Enough money this. I give you back less and take him more one.
You know, I'm not taking my shoes, you know. I'm not taking my boxers. Because I have a long time to do this.
Where cover from me?
Sorry, not real life. Oh, for that. Yo, if you know how can you stay about walking in here, eh? Yo. You look funny. Ready?
So Caddy, you can say to him, say, babes, why you beers, so? Yeah. Ready, and action.
I want that from me now. I'm not taking no blinking route. I want to go straight in. You have to know yourself. And just say, yo, you see people like you make life hard and complicated. Why you do that? Why you feel like some boy every day I feel concuss you and tell you what to do? Eh? You idiot, you fool or something? You stupid? You born out of what? Donkey?
Hold it.
Shit you. I don't like give a turn out this and that. Cause I say, hey wow, broke that room in your back.
Should I ask him, you say, you have one bad day at work, why you beer so strong?
Yeah. I thought maybe.
Ready, and action.
Yeah. You see me clean. You know how much time I wipe out the place in the morning and you come in with your shoes.
You hear yourself? You don't think you hear yourself? Yeah, you listen to the words when I say? Rain fall from morning, you live in a place. I don't know.
Rain fall from morning.
And
Rain
what
fall this morning and stuff. All no rain still a drizzle and you just step in the house with your shoes. You can't just take off your shoes.
Where's spot to take off my shoes? Eh? Look, most times if you buy the mat, you put yourself. You don't want to buy no mat. So what you expect will happen then? Eh?
You never give me no money to buy
What you mean, say the woman, the money always under the place? What you talking about? Something wrong with you for you? You know, like how you just act like you don't know, sure. Your brain not work or something. Turn on your brain now. You lock off.
Alright,
Eh?
alright.
What you mean, say alright?
Just take up your sugar.
Are you?
Really? You can't stand to me.
Ready. But that can't do something you. They can't start that so it's me and laugh for you. He laughed the palm, come here, look for you and laugh. You must say me and laugh, you forget? Oh.
Ready.
Ready, action! Wait, come check if you go with them. Get the fuck out.
You're following my love. What you doing?
Everything great. Fuck out.
You idiot, you.
You don't know
Just be a following my love. Watch you thinking I ain't good.
Say, I'm going to jump with the door. I'm using back and push it. I'm better than put it back, but feel like I can't go and leave coming back.
I'm not even touching another piece.
Feel like I'm back.
It's a train one.
Go.
I imagine 7 minutes.
Then hold it back to me.
We don't need nothing like somebody thinking I must be.
Alright.
Alright, so
Ready?
then all this worry, so if I don't need it,
Give me money.
I don't even think they watch about like anything.
ready? Action.
Alright, today, you don't know how to explain how the day went for me so far. Yes or no? You gonna have Vasa? You see Vasa today? Alright, good, so you confirm it. Vasa, I go tell me, say, me up here, I abuse you and Vasa gonna run me out of him place. And make me know, say, you go down there. You invest in the things as a matter of fact? When you work with Vasa, you invest in the things? So what you go tell them, say, so, what kind of thing you tell them today? What was the conversation? Because I don't want to jump to conclusion again.
I'm just asking to be from one and
No, Vasa asked me how we doing. And maybe basically tell him, say, you might ask me about why I left the work.
if I say that, I still owe me doing it, me or whatever.
Yeah. No, but you know, just say, you might ask me why I left the work and think. And I mean, I tell him, say,
Why you?
why you left the work.
Oh,
Yeah. So you left the work. So I said, you might ask me why I left the work and all them stuff. You not nothing personal. So me and Vasa, you understand? Something for this. Sorry.
Ready?
This is after, man. Afterwards.
Ready? So action in the public. Ready? Action.
What you and Vasa, you know? What do you mean to say nothing? What you and Vasa talk about today? As a matter of fact, what you eat after last?
Well, like, give back.
After me build, I walk out, me yummy. Ready?
Ready? Action.
As a matter of fact, give me this. Who tells you can hear me so? Eh? Yeah, eat out the whole and snap them. Cook in the house. So make your throw drinks like that. Give me some, man. When you go to supermarket, you go. Eh?
Just $100 everything.
Which 100? You're a wicked. Yo, why you stay so? Don't see me now. You guys make me feel.
Wait, come back again. Say a toes last.
No, say a thousand. That's dangerous, make you extreme. Action!
Yeah, tell him say a toes like him say to buy some dry goods. And that he tell her, yeah, Caddy?
I'm a back, yeah. Action!
Ready, and action.
No supermarket this year I go today. Eh? Eh?
You look on your stinking socks, love go
Ah,
on people with clean sheet with
A
your
clean
stinking
socks.
foot.
Javi, tell us a clean socks, Javi. Javi, talk to
All
her.
in this foot and public carry sweaty foot if he socks this by. And him put you on the thing. Now I come up my bed when you buy my trash.
And of that, come
Don't
keep me off.
thinking food.
You can't take me off of the bed, that me I tell you. And me a company going to lie down.
Candy, you ready?
Ready, Candy?
Ready?
Lock the door.
Me a call you for coming.
Door open.
Me a call you, here, Candy?
Mm.
Action. Dulcimina.
Yeah.
Dulcimina.
Yes. Me a answer you. You not hear me?
Dulcimina.
Me a answer you.
If me call her one
you
more
say?
time, you know, she not gonna like how me go tell her, you know, man.
Forgot Candy.
And when I do?
Me a come. Ready
Candy,
now?
I answer you, but Candy leave here.
Me need for the answer you.
Jesus Christ, look how long me can come look Candy. Again.
Aye.
Action. Come again. Lock the door, come in here, like.
Just say it open. Oh, that one there.
Action. Dulcimina.
Yes, babe, me coming. Oh, me name remember so me know the answer. You me too fool. I want phone you can pan.
No, answer and come in.
Oh, but don't answer.
Oh,
Just
I can't
hear
do
you
that.
say it and don't answer.
There's something wrong
Just
with
say,
that.
oh,
Pick
me
up the
answer, I'm
candy.
not saying enough to answer. So when you
Jesus
say it, don't
Christ.
mean I'm just coming and don't answer.
Answer one time and
Oh.
come. But you were answering and you never come.
Oh,
And that way I said.
oh,
So answer and come.
alright.
Action.